Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get all medium eggs in Brookhaven using an easy method. This exciting egg hunt challenges you to find 20 unique eggs scattered throughout the town. To begin, simply head to the main fountain area and select the medium mode option on the special event board. Successfully collecting all 20 eggs in a single session will unlock a fantastic new vehicle for your adventures. Let's get started on this fun quest. Before you dash off, make sure you're ready for the hunt. First, find the special egg hunt board located right by the main fountain in Brookhaven. Interact with it and choose the medium mode difficulty. This will activate the 20 eggs you need to find. While many eggs are easily accessible, having a ladder in your inventory can be a smart move for those slightly higher or trickier locations. Preparation is key for a smooth hunt. Now for the fun part, finding those eggs. Many medium eggs are found outdoors in prominent areas. Start by checking the subway entrance and the bus stop near the pool. You'll also find eggs around the Brookhaven Bank and the Mail and Packages building. Don't forget to explore the hospital area, Burger Barn, and the motel, as these are common spots for several hidden eggs. Keep your eyes peeled. To ensure you collect all 20 eggs efficiently, try to follow a systematic route around the town. It's important to remember that if you leave the game or switch to a different difficulty mode, your egg hunt progress will reset, so stay focused. Once you've successfully gathered every single medium egg, you'll be rewarded with an exclusive, special vehicle to cruise around Brookhaven in style. Happy hunting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.